So, मैं काम से वापस जा रहा हूँ और ऑलरेडी सिटी लाइफ से बहुत तंग आ गया हूँ। The hills are calling me. So, हम जा रहे हैं सोनमर्ग और अब हमारा प्लान पूरा फाइनलाइज हो गया है। And today is Thursday and it is about 6:30 and all I can think about is the ride. So, I'm excited. Getting a haircut for the trip. Ready for the ride. Alright, so I'm done with the haircut and this is what it looks like. So I'm ready for the adventure. So ये रही सारी चीज़ें जो मुझे कैरी करनी है। 2 टेंट हैं, 2 स्लीपिंग बैग्स, ये burner, raincoat, again for cooking, power bank, lighter, GoPro ka mount. What's up? अभी बजे हैं 11 and it's T-6 hours before we hit the road. And हमने शॉपिंग वॉपिंग कर ली है। कल के स्नैक्स हैं।
T-5 hours.
5 hours, sorry. So 5 hours to go before we start this journey. So now we just need to ride. We need to ride. You want to say any words?
नींद नहीं आएगी आज।
नींद नहीं आएगी।
अभी निकलने का मन कर रहा है।
गुड मॉर्निंग। सुबह के 4 बज गए हैं और it's time to go. Nothing beats a black coffee. So my cycle is ready. इस पे मैंने ये माउंट कर दिया है और यहाँ पे मेरा टूल किट and my bottle and the lock I've kept for protection today. Ready with my cycle. Just waiting for the other riders. They have to be here. और फिर यहाँ से हमें अपनी जर्नी के लिए स्टार्ट करना है. So it is about 5:22 and we should be leaving in another 10 minutes. Shani Bhai has left his place. Today we have Dar on board with us for the ride. So let's see how it goes. Waiting for the boys. Mr. Dar is here and we welcome him on the vlog. We've seen him for the first time on a cycling ride. So hopefully today is going to be pretty amazing. Let's go. तफरी मचाने आए हैं यहाँ पे। पूरा अपना मशीन पूरी लेके आए हैं। बढ़िया सिचुएशन।
बस आज तू शुरू है कि लीडर तू चलेगा आगे। हम
Finally the time is here. Now we are going to कंगन। फिर कंगन में स्टॉप लेके सीधा सोनमर्ग। Let's go. So we are on a ride and हमारा next stop जो है वो है वायल ब्रिज and then we are going to stop in Kangan. So this is the view and the riders are somewhere right behind me but it's super fun. मौसम काफ़ी अच्छा है and I think it's just a God-given gift to have such great conditions. Otherwise ये पूरा हफ्ता बहुत ही sunny रह चुका है. But today is going to be good. Sunday is also going to be great. तो अब आंधी आए, तूफान आए या कुछ भी, we are just prepared for this. Let's go.
boys.
What's up?
What's up?
We're almost at Vile Bridge. A few more kilometers, and then we'll have a cup of tea. That's what we'll get there.
Commentary आपने सुनी ली होगी.
This tree must be like what, 500 years ago.
हुआ
आज साइकिल पे आए थे. Otherwise, we usually visit on a bike or in a car.
कैसी रही तेरी राइड अभी तक?
It's a good one.
Yeah?
Like I told you, this one is after like 6 months. The last ride I had was before Ramadan. Yeah. And after that, these guys like forced me to join them today for a 100-kilometer ride to
Wow,
Salman.
wow. What do you have to say about this guy?
He's a liar.
He's a
Last
liar.
ride was ages ago. हम छोटे थे.
What to do?
Just wanted to make it sound realistic.
Now we've stopped for some.
अदरक वाली है? बढ़िया.
Yeah, buddy.
Special है.
Now we've stopped for some. Cheers, buddy. Now we've stopped for some tea at Vile Bridge. और Vile Bridge से अब हम आगे चलेंगे. But first we need to refresh ourselves with some tea. I'll show you the view that we're gonna enjoy. Sonmarg is 55 kilometers and we're going strong. Let's go. So we've made another stop here. We're gonna have some tea and then we're gonna head out. I'll show you the view from this dhaba. This 5-star view from a dhaba that you get in Kashmir. So finally we've taken this stop and this is the view from here. I think Sonmarg is about 45 kilometers and it's a long journey ahead of us, but 50% of the journey complete ho gayi hai, and now we're just gonna have some tea and then we're gonna bounce. That way is Sonmarg and this is the view, the 5-star view from a dhaba. Uzi.
What's up?
पता नहीं पूछ ले पूछ लिया मैंने टेक्स्ट किया मगर जवाब नहीं दिया. These are our rides and this is the view. कैसा रहा अभी तक का राइड का एक्सपीरियंस?
Mashallah, the ride was better than I expected because चार चांद लग गए जो ये मौसम हुआ है ना आज. I was expecting बहुत धूप होगी, हमें थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाएगा, फिर में स्लो होते हैं, पसीना आता है, दम सा हो जाता है, बट जो बादल और ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं चल रही है इसने लुत्फ़ दे दिया, एंजॉय कर लिया हमने इस राइड. माशाल्लाह, नॉट मच In about 30 more kilometers we'll reach सोनमर्ग. हम एक गैप लेंगे. हमारी एक गाड़ी वाली टीम आ रही है जिनके साथ हमारा टाइम ट्रेल चल रहा है.
चॉकलेट दे दे, कौन सा है कुछ?
चॉकलेट
What's
बतियाना
up?
है.
No.
मोनोलॉग
I look messed up.
मोनोलॉग खराब कर दिया भाई.
That's us. And
कौन सा है इसमें?
weather situation is pretty nice. It's in our favor. And just taking a small break so that we can have some chocolates, some sugar.
चॉकलेट क्या बोल रहा है तू?
Yep,
Nutrition bar.
that's us.
Nutrition bar.
Nutrition bar and protein bars and everything that sounds cool. We're having those.
GCAA.
But yeah, been hell of a ride. And this is the view that is in front of us.
चिल्ला रहे थे ना मेरे पे. मुझे लगा मुझे वो लोकल कोई मोटिवेशनल कर रहा है कोई कि
That is 10 kilometers और सोनमर्ग है 23 kilometers, approximately 30 kilometers. So हम गगनगीर में रुकेंगे and then we'll move ahead. About 7 kilometers to Gagangir and then 20 kilometers to Sonmarg. So we've just crossed Gagangir and the beautiful journey to Sonmarg has started. I think should be around 8 kilometers, maybe less. But just look at this view. Cannot get enough of this view. Amazing. Just taking a quick stop before we make our journey to Sonmarg. Really exhausted, but the view, I'm only here for the view. Look at it.
It has started to rain and we are just 3 kilometers away, but these 3 kilometers feel like 30 kilometers because it's all uphill from here, and also it has started to rain. Whew. Let's go.
Wow. Just look at this road.
It's crazy. It's crazy out here. Weather ने ऐसा shift मारा ना. I think we went from 35 degrees to what, 10 degrees? It's crazy. Finally, we made it to Sonmarg, and it's as beautiful as it gets. Finally, after almost 9 hours of ride and taking about, I think, 4 to 5 breaks, we're finally here. Look at this magical view. So according to Strava, it's been 5 hours. That is our moving time, and I think 3 hours must have been spent in taking breaks, having lunch, chit-chatting and all of that. But good time. 5.5 hours from Srinagar to Sonmarg is a very good time. Hamari average speed around 18 kilometers per hour, which is quite good. But anything for this view. Just check it out. How does it feel to be in Sonmarg? Yeah.
He's exhausted. Good experience. Be exhausted as hell.
Exhausted, yeah. But look at this view. Isn't this refreshing? Woohoo! वो वाली पहाड़ी पे जाना हमें, Thajwas Glacier. Right now, we are in Sonmarg taxi stand. Shukriya bhai. I have my rain jacket on, and this is what it looks like. Sonmarg is insane, brother. Sonmarg is insane, and it's been raining. We'll wait for them here, huh? Okay. So let's see where the road leads us. Now we have to trek for about 2 kilometers, and हमें जाना है वो वाली पहाड़ी पे. Can you see that, huh? Quite challenging, but we're gonna do it, like always. And that's where we have to go. So the trekking starts from here